Hi, Vadim is here, and in this short video I'll show exactly what you need to know to get it done. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Let me show you how to review, mark up, and hand off a PDF without leaving Microsoft Edge browser. I have a PDF file in Windows File Explorer, and I'm going to right-click on the file, select Open With, and select Microsoft Edge. Typically, you would open PDF in Adobe Acrobat Viewer, but when you need to make quick edits or annotate the PDF, jumping between the apps slows you down, you lose comments and derail approvals. When you open PDF in Edge, it shows you built-in PDF toolbar, which gives you highlight, ink, comments, add notes to quickly update your PDF file. If you're trying to emphasize the most important points of the document, Highlighter is the best tool. You can choose a different color and update the thickness of your highlights. The best thing is that when you color-coded something, it emphasizes the wall of text into "read these lines now." You just need to agree with your team members on emphasis color. For example, yellow would be must-read, and green might be optional. You can use Draw tool, choosing pen's thickness and color, to circle numbers, underline totals, or sign initials. It's very useful because freehand markup is the fastest way to point something that matters in a document or on a call. If you annotated something by mistake, you can remove it with the eraser. And you can also add text to highlight something for readability. A lot of times, having combinations of highlighting notes and text gives the most emphasis. And you can use Mini Text Toolbar to adjust size, alignment, color to improve readability. And obviously, you can reposition the text so it gets noticed and also getting highest chances to get scanned using Copy Machine. And here's the best part. Not everything has to be on the screen. When you highlight the text, you can add notes with longer sentences. To do this, just right mouse click, select Add Comment, and add additional instructions here. And once you're done making notes, make sure to save PDF with the different name to preserve the original copy of the document.